Good morning from Lombok, everyone. It's Hanifa Menon from hearthealthbrainhealth.com, encouraging healthy breathing and mindful actions. I am in this new location in Lombok. I've been trying to make a video for you for quite a few days, but I can tell you that it's been a wonderful time that I've had so far in Lombok. Yet, to make a video has taken a lot of scheduling, planning, because there's prayer times that are heard from 1,000 different mosques in Lombok, which I'm learning, and to find a time that is just quiet and free for me to be able to make this video has taken a little bit of organizing for patience. And so, of course, I'm learning and evolving, and my patience is growing. But I really wanted to share this video today. I'm going to start with this quotation. It says, "A man remains ignorant because he loves ignorance and chooses ignorant thoughts. A man becomes wise because he loves wisdom and chooses wise thoughts." And this is something that I'm learning here. I'm very interested, as you know, in education and how we live the education that we are taught and many of us know but don't actually practice. Today I thought I'd focus on this idea of diversity and inclusion. And you know that these words, diversity and inclusion, ignorance and wisdom, are words that we are using quite regularly, but are we practicing? So today I thought I'd read this quotation too, to try to bring or shed some light on these words. Diversity refers to the presence of differences among people, including but not limited to race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, social class, and physical ability. Inclusion is the practice of ensuring that all individuals feel valued, respected, and empowered, with equal access to opportunities and a sense of belonging. A sense of belonging. Essentially, diversity is about what makes people different, while inclusion is about how those differences are valued and integrated into a group or organization. Wow, it's a lot of information. Of course, I'll write these quotations under this video for you to review and reflect on today, or always. I will tell you that even though we're using these words everywhere in the whole world today, in fact, I believe that many employment agencies and, of course, companies who are hiring look at this. HR looks at this, and it's written in all of, or many of the codes of ethics. And yet, the practice of this, like ethics in general, is not always happening. And today I'd love for you to reflect on, are you being aware of the diversity around you and even within you? Your thoughts will change regularly. That's diversity of thoughts. And then people around us, locations around us, and then inclusion. Do we make everyone feel included, a sense of belonging, this whole respected? And we can use the word respected, but we're often not practicing this because respect is felt. It's not just spoken about, it's not just thought about, it's truly respecting someone for being different than ourselves. This is what this would include. This whole idea of diversity and inclusion is about recognizing that there are differences, respecting them, and making sure that every person still feels like they belong. And this is what I am trying to encourage our whole world to do. Today, I'd love for you to see if you are practicing this, because it's not about judging others. This is about looking at ourselves and truly taking the steps to make sure that we're both honoring and respecting the diversity around us, and respecting it and including those that are around us with love, value, compassion, respect. And I hope today you practice this and see if you are, and if you are not, improve by practicing just a little bit more. I wish you a fabulous day or night ahead, and I hope you remember, transform your mind and transform your life. Have a great day or night, everyone.